In 2025, the United Kingdom is set to revolutionize its land forces with the deployment of the Challenger 3, a next-generation battle tank that's not just built for strength, it's engineered for dominance. Equipped with the powerful RH-120 smoothbore cannon, Challenger 3 can strike with pinpoint accuracy and deliver devastating firepower faster than ever before. And by the way, you're watching this video to gain powerful knowledge, but you never drop your thoughts in the comments. Why so silent, soldier? Let us know what you think below. Back to the tank. Challenger 3 also features an active protection system capable of intercepting incoming missiles mid-air, turning enemy attacks into failed attempts. With cutting-edge thermal imaging, AI-assisted target locking, and 360-degree situational awareness, this tank becomes a fully digital war machine. The British Army considers it their most crucial asset for future warfare, a game-changing force that could shift the balance of power across Europe. And if you enjoy this kind of content, we've uploaded the full-length version of this video on our second channel. You can check it out. The link is available in this channel's bio and description. Don't miss it.